Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. So right here we've got the list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically in this device it's really easy to change the language, because all you have to do is to find the language you'd like to apply and tap on it. I'll pick Turkish, and as you can see it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. So basically this is how it works. Let me go back to English, let me find English, tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.